Greetings, Stewart families, and happy Friday. This is your Stewart Elementary Weekly Update for Friday, September the 6th, 2019. Our students have definitely hit the ground running this week, coming off of the holiday weekend. I've seen so many great things going on in the classroom. Students have been doing their absolute best and working to change the world, and we're certainly proud of all of their efforts, and we know you are as well. I wanted to share with you that on September 21st, our Run for the Health of It 5K will be going on at starting at Viking Stadium and going through the village of Glendale. There are different race options for this. We have a 5K run, a 5K walk, a 1 mile walk, and then a children's fun run of a mile. And you're welcome to register. I have provided links in our newsletter this week, and you can also go to princetonschools.net to register for the race. Registration fees and money raised through the race will benefit the Princeton school-based health centers that we have here within our district to benefit our students and our families. I have created Team Stewart on the registration page, so you're welcome to sign up and join Team Stewart, and I look forward to seeing you there at the race. On Tuesday, September 10th at 7 p.m. will be our first PTSO meeting for the year, and this is a fantastic organization. Our PTSO works with the school to provide the best learning experience for our kids, to bring additional program to the building, and to support the building in any way. Our first meeting of the year will be in the library, and childcare will be provided by our Princeton High School Key Clubbers. Also had some additional information to share with this. As you may have seen on the news, Mayor Kevin Hardman has issued a challenge to Sharonville and Stewart Elementaries. Whichever building can have the highest attendance at their first PTSO or PFO meeting for the year, Mayor Hardman will buy frozen treats for that entire school. So we can't let Mayor Hardman down. We can't let Stewart down. We hope to see you out at the meeting. So have one family member show up. You'll have a great time, and you'll learn about the many different ways that you can become involved and help out here at our school. I wanted to share with you that Kona Day is coming up. It'll be our first Kona Day of the year on September the 26th. And our Kona Day serves two purposes. We use it as a behavior incentive, so students can earn the ability to purchase Kona at a highly discounted price if they have met certain behavioral requirements. This is something we also use as a fundraiser for additional programming and experiences here at Stewart. So our first Kona Day of the year, once again, is going to be on Thursday, September the 26th. On the day after, Friday, September 27th, will be our first community fanfare of the year. This is something that we like to do at least once a quarter. We randomly pick days just to make that day a little extra special for our students. On our community fanfare days, we invite first responders, we invite business partners, community members, parents, and also members of the Princeton administrative team to join us and make a big human tunnel for our students and to help welcome them to school. I know that our fire department and police department usually bring treats to pass out to the kids, prizes to pass out to the kids, and we're really going to cheer our kids on as they enter the school for that day and making that extra special. Once again, we'll have Community Fanfare Day at least once a quarter, and our first will be on Friday, September the 27th. Parent-teacher conferences are coming up as well. Our conferences will be on Thursday, September 26th, and on Thursday, October 3rd. Your teachers will share sign-up information here very soon, so please be sure to sign up for a time slot to come in and talk about your child's progress. We look forward to seeing you at those conferences. This has been your Stewart Elementary Weekly Update for Friday, September the 6th, 2019. We appreciate your continued partnership and support. Have a fantastic weekend, and go Vikes.